And a bit of bad news. My husband, he don't even want to talk right now, so I'm going to talk to the family for a second, and then we're going to head to the gym just to kind of get our energy up to deal with what's going on. But just to give you guys an update, basically the bricks that we needed to build the foundation that should have been 6 inches were what we now found out from our site manager were 5 inches. Kwame and I have been traveling, so we weren't able to get the updates as soon as we wanted to. So we're just learning this now, and we're gonna deal with it. All right, so stay tuned. We're gonna hit the gym. Hopefully he feels better after he gets a little workout in, and then we're gonna circle back to the land and get the job done. All right, family. So stay tuned and speak to you soon. Peace. So my husband's all upset, which is understandable. We waited till I came back to really discuss it in person with the project manager and the mason, who's not here yet. But basically, for the foundation, the brick should be 6 inches. Baby, you want to come talk to the people for a minute? And just explain, I was about to go into the 5 inches versus 6 inches and what the problem is right now. So here you go, beloved. Tell the people why you're mad. Tell them why you're mad, son.
I mean, just showing the smile, but low-key, I'm still mad because, the mason and the brick maker, they're supposed to do 6 inches. As, insisted doing foundation for, solid strength. But he did 5 inches, so we out here trying to figure it out, and how can this be solved? But he didn't do right, so we.
Well, yeah, but he didn't do right.
Yeah, he didn't do right.
Okay. So we're gonna deal with it. We're gonna talk to Sammy, the site manager. Make sure, say what's up, Sammy. We're gonna make sure that he's gonna be the bad guy in all of this. So he's gonna deal with the mason and just kind of. Explains to him that all of this has to be corrected. We'll show you the difference between 5 and 6 inches because we did have them start on it. But we'll circle back to that. All right? Speak in a bit.
Come make I put this thing on you. Go by.
One bag, at least 40. 1 bag there. Bayana, I'm going to move you in. I know mine. Be a 50. So, maybe 1 bag, 1 bag, maybe 40. Yeah.
So this 1 little inch is all the difference that gonna make all the difference in the world when it comes to the foundation.
It goes in one bag beer has 40, at least 40. But so or the one bag 50. That means no. Oh yeah. I'm meant to be a canon alpha.
Maybe as a cement in front of a fan, I'd be a Danish scammer.
Yeah.
Jesus, maybe Uncle Otto Phone.
I'll translate later.
I'm not very careful. Yeah. See, my friends, I'm catching you. As a banam no best, I don't just say, wait a minute.
That thing you do to make me crazy. That thing you do to make me crazy.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure. Yeah, we're gonna make sure anytime he's here working.
Yeah.
We're gonna stand here watching him.
Right.
To finish. Yeah. Because when we leave him alone,
kind of slacking. Yeah. Understood.
So I think now. What we're going to do is we're gonna make sure we're gonna have another block 6 inches.
Right.
Because we can't use this 5 inches to 6 inches.
Right.
Yeah. So this one is 5 inches and this one is 6 inches.
Right,
But
right.
it's supposed to be the same 6 inches.
Uh-huh.
So we can use to start this project.
Right, right. Okay.
I don't know.
So now the mason advice was it's going to be a little expensive for the foundation because it would have been cheap if there was a lot of 6 inches. Because
Right.
when you put 6, it comes up more.
Right.
But now it is 5 inches or it's going to be like that. For these two or this is going to be equal to 1. You understand?
Understood. Understood.
It's very sad. It's very sad. He didn't do well, so we're not going to like work with him. We're going to choose our different guy. You remember that guy?
Yeah,
Our
yeah.
guy for Pempamsie Village.
Right.
Transfer him here too, so we can together work with him.
Understood, baby.
Segregation. So
Yeah.
this is the garage. And this is where you, this is the living hall, and the stairs is going to be here so you can climb.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And this is a toilet and bath.
See, they all ready to throw the bricks in. They got it all sectioned, but no.
And this is the front of the house.
Right, right.
And here is a
gonna
more
be the-
space. It's like 10 by 90 space here.
Uh-huh.
And it can be used for garden.
Yeah, you already
used for
know. Mango
rest
tree, avocado,
and-
soursop,
and let me show you this way.
cucumber. Right.
So,
So the backyard could come all the way to this end.
all the way here.
Ah,
And
Nice.
the boundary. This one got his, and this got his.
uh-huh.
So it starts from here. And here is the road. Here. From here.
So yeah, we drive
Here
around.
is all road. 10 feet.
Got you.
Like this.
Uh-huh. So we're gonna have us a hammock, cucumbers, we're gonna have a little rose garden, everything.
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 No GMO.
No GMO.
Organic.
Say it again.
No GMO. So you can be healthy. No. Africa beautiful. All of you come. Come to Africa. Africa, you come. You don't get stranded for food things. Food is easy. You can grow your own food, collect rainwater, save more money, live better life, no stress.
Did you say collect rainwater?
Yeah, collect
yes.
rainwater.
Yes, family. Can you do that?
These are all beautiful corn. This can be cure malaria, and these two is corn. They have a lot of serving purpose for the body.
Right.
These ones too. And this is on the land, the big tree. I climb every day when I can.
You better get off my tree.
And the leaves
You
are
see,
malaria.
he want me to beat him. Say that one more time, baby.
Yeah.
This leaves is free.
Right, but say what it's for again, baby.
It's for malaria and fever.
Ah.
You just boil it for 30 minutes. You take it as a drink.
It's a little unfortunate, we definitely try to support people and basically, but you gotta stay on top of them, obviously. And, my husband and I, we've been traveling and we kind of trusted the mason that we were working with to basically do the right thing in terms of, producing. He knew that we needed 6 inches bricks for the foundation. I mean, the remaining structure, it's going to be fine too. My husband be upset. Anyway, but it is what it is. It's the nature of the beast, so we're not going to trip too much. You know what I mean? We're just going to try to get right back on board. We do have a mason that's on standby, and we're just going to have to move on. So consider this foundation building 2.5. We're not exactly on to phase 3 yet, but the new mason will be here later today. So pray for us, family. We were hoping that this trip would be neat. We have the iron rods ready for the next level and the next phase. So this kind of, throws us off a bit. But it is what it is. We're not stopping. We're still grinding. Right, babe? We're not gonna let this stop us. Ah, look at your feet, baby.
It's not cool.
It's not cool.
It's not cool.
Look at the feet.
But we're still building,
Look at your
We're
feet.
still building. We're still trying to leave the last name for, the generation.
That's right, the legacy.
So, yeah.
So it's all good. All right, family, so stay tuned and, stay with us. Have some patience. Our people. So we'll speak to you soon and we'll keep you updated. Love you guys. Bye. So thanks for watching, family. We just wanted to recap and kind of explain what you just saw, which is basically us struggling with the fact that we had 5-inch bricks versus 6-inch bricks. Obviously, when building a foundation, 6-inch bricks are required, and we are going to have a little bit of a delay, which is the nature of a beast when dealing with development. So it's not a huge deal, it's just a little bit of a disappointment. All right, so I was supposed to be here for phase 3, so that's a bit of a bummer, but other than that, we're fine. We sorted out the situation, and you guys stay tuned because phase 3.
Yeah, phase 3 is on its way out in very soon, and we would like for y'all to stay tuned where the mason is going to lay out the iron rods on the ground and mix it with the concrete. The concrete is a mixture of the cement, the sand, and the cubicles. To make it really, really strong to hold the whole entire structure.
Awesome, baby.
Yes.
All right, family, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yes.
Peace.
Peace. Bye.